Hello and welcome to Supercharge, your Spanish conversations with Speaking Practice live program. My name is Beatrice. I'm the founder of Spanish Practice Club, and I will be your Spanish language coach for the duration of the live program. Let's have a look and see what you're going to be learning in this lesson. So this is week 1, lesson 1, and what you will know by the end of it. So this week you're going to be learning how to use the English definite article the in Spanish. You're going to be learning how to identify Spanish words if they are masculine or feminine, how to form feminine words in Spanish, how to form the plural, and by the end of the lesson, you will be learning how to pull all that information together to make sense in a Spanish conversation, together with the word order, the natural word order that Spanish natives use. And in the speaking part of the lesson, you will be learning how to introduce yourself and use icebreakers to make basic conversation in Spanish. Before we dive into the lesson, let me explain to you what's the material that is available to you every week with the live program. So in addition to the video lesson, you also have a workbook. So the workbook includes all of the exercises that you need to practice after you've watched the video lesson, so you know that you have understood what has been explained in the lesson. The workbook is also your to-go document because it has a checklist to help you keep track of the activities that you need to complete every week, together with the activities that you will need to have completed by the end of the week and moving into the following week of the program. And the workbook also has prompts to help you generate conversation in your Thursday sessions with your language partner. So you will have the information from the video slides. You will have your prompts on the workbook. And in addition to that, in the first week, so this week, you're going to be getting 2 bonuses. Easy Spanish Phrasebook, which is an ebook that you can download or you can even print it off at home. And you will be using this book every week because I will be referring you to different sections of the book every week, depending on the conversation that we are learning. You will also be getting a second bonus, which is a first Spanish reader. It's also an ebook and it's in both languages, in English and in Spanish, so you can read the stories in both languages. This week, you will also be getting a pronunciation guide in PDF format, so you will be learning how to use the Spanish tilde and how the Spanish natives use the tilde to pronounce the words better, and also a pronunciation video demonstrating how we pronounce the Spanish vowels in Spanish, A, E, I, O, U. So all the information is included in your workbook. So that is your to-go document, together with the Facebook community, where you can also ask any questions that you need during the week. If you haven't already, I would recommend you that before you watch the video lessons every week, that you have all of the material that you need at hand, downloaded or printed off on your desk, and also that you have a specific notebook for the live program, because there will be a lot of information and content coming your way. So you want to have a space, you want to have one notebook that you can go to instead of having different notes here, pieces of paper here and there. So hopefully this will be useful, and I will see you in the lesson.